Welcome to the Sunny Heat video tutorials. This tutorial is about the date. Where can I find the current date? The current date can be found on the main display next to the calendar icon. Where can I find the date settings? The date settings can be found in the menu under General, Date. What is the Format menu? The format of the date can be set in the Format menu. The format set here is shown on the main display and in all other menus with dates. The format can be selected with a tap on the desired format. The selected format is now active. The active format is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button once takes you back to the previous menu. What is the Date menu? The date can be set in the Date menu. Day, month or year can be selected with a tap on the desired value. The active value is marked with an arrow. The date can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. By pressing the confirmation button, the changes are accepted and you return to the previous menu. If you press the back button instead of the confirmation button, you return to the previous menu without saving the changes. What is the Weekday menu? The weekday of the date can be set in the Weekday menu. The day of the week is not visible on the main display, but is important for creating a heating schedule. The arrow buttons can be used to move one menu down, or one menu up. The current day of the week can be selected by tapping on the desired day of the week. The currently selected weekday is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. In this tutorial, the format of the date was set. The date has been entered and the day of the week has been set. The changed date is now shown on the main display. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about Sunny Heat is available at sunnyheat.com.